Hi, I'm going to tell you how to read a research paper. Why reading a research paper is important? Because it is the first step of scientific writing. First, you need to read research papers, develop your knowledge, and then you can start your scientific writing. So whenever you start reading a research paper, the first thing you need to focus on is the title. The title is going to tell you what's new in this paper or what the authors or the researchers did. So after knowing the title, you can decide, is it relevant to you or not? The second thing you're going to look for is the journal name, because the journal name is linked to some publisher. So you can look at the publisher's name, for example, Nature, Cell, Science, Elsewhere, Springer, and these are credible, reputed journals or publishers. So you know what you are reading is credible and reputed. The third thing you're going to look for is the author's name and their affiliations. So you know that this research is coming from some reputed universities, like for example in China, Chinese Academy of Sciences, or Tsinghua or Peking, or any good university like Harvard or MIT, Imperial College of London. So you know that this institute is a leading institute in this research field. And the next thing you're going to look for is introduction. Introduction going to tell you the background of this research, why this research is needed, what's important in this research, and how we're going to solve this problem. Next one is methods. Sometimes it's called methods, sometimes it's called experimental. So here you need to be very, very careful, because here you will know what and how much, what material, how much, for how much time, using what instruments this research was done. After this, you're going to move to results and discussion. In the results and discussion part, the researcher will show you that after my research, I found these results and how these results answer my research question. Here, you need to be very critical and you should be very careful and look for some limitations, because everyone presents their research in a positive way. So you have to find what is the limitation, what's the missing, and that thing is going to be your next research topic. And then you can read the conclusion and abstract, so you can understand what this paper told us and what's important. See you in next video. I'm Dr. Dexter, your scientific writing mentor.